Hello YouTube, Triumph Guy here today. I'm going to show you how to use this Wynns engine flush. Recommend to do this on a oil change, but first of all, what we're going to do is get the car up to temperature and then we'll go from there. This stuff's really easy, so you undo the cap, but only once the engine is warm. I actually have to drive 10 minutes to pick up this stuff, so it's quite easy for me. I just literally drive there, pick it up, come back, take the cap off, put the Wynns engine oil in, put the cap back on, and then it'll run for 20 minutes at idle. Once you've done that, you turn the car off, and then you can crack on with your oil change. Give it 5 minutes, and all you're going to do is change the filter, then drop the oil, and then you should be good to go on the oil change on your vehicle. Please make sure you like and subscribe. If you've got any questions, put in the comments, and I'll be happy to answer them. See you on the next one.